I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. So have you tried to create a Windows 10 installation USB stick and ended up with this error message? It'll say something has went wrong, more or less, and gives you this error code, this 0xc180010c-0xa001b or something similar to that. The thing is, if you've ever gotten that and your USB stick happens to be 8 gigabytes, that could be the reason why. See, the thing is, I've always used this flash drive to install Windows 10 on computers, and as far as I can remember, I've always selected the both option for architecture. That way you would get 32 and 64-bit. But it seems since Windows 10 20H2, both architectures will not fit on an 8 gigabyte flash drive. See, the geniuses at Microsoft, they failed to update the installer to tell you, or the creation tool to tell you, that the drive needs to be at least 16 gigabytes, not 8 gigabytes. So, for example, if I look at this Microsoft Answers page, you'll see, of course, yeah, blah, blah, best way to avoid the error is to download the ISO file and use Rufus to copy it over. And this person here says this happens because the capacity of the pen drive is less than necessary. Change the drive for a larger one, or select only the 32-bit version of Windows or the 64-bit version. The latest versions of Windows require larger than 8 gigabytes. So, despite the fact that the Windows 10 20H2 media creation tool tells you it needs to be at least 8 gigabytes, in reality, it needs to be at least 16 gigabytes. So, I got a 16 gigabyte drive inserted now, and of course I closed out the setup before I started this video, so I couldn't show you the actual error I got. But trust me, if you have an 8 gigabyte drive, you'll get an error. So, go ahead and select next, and we'll let this download again. And we'll select this drive here. And it's going to download Windows 10, even though it already downloaded it already before it caused the error message. So we'll let it download yet again. Okay, so now it's creating the installation media. Okay guys, so it completed this time. Go ahead and select finish. And there you have it. Let's go have a look. And as you can see, this is our setup drive. If we look at the properties and see the size of it, you'll see that it is using 7.99 gigabytes. Now, for example, if I take that out, insert this one. And what I normally use, you'll see our total size is just 7.43 gigabytes. So Microsoft, they really need to update the installer or the media creation tool to require a 16 gigabyte flash drive, not just an 8 gigabyte one. Used to be 8 gigabytes would be enough space to install or not install, but to set up a USB stick with both the 32-bit and 64-bit architectures, but that's no longer the case. So anyways, hopefully it's helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Computer Channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.